In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Minecraft error code 0x803F8001 in Windows 11. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now all you have to do is to go ahead and click on your Microsoft Store. And then after that, just double click on your profile picture. So after you do that, just go ahead and sign out and then sign in again. So if that doesn't fix the problem, the next method is actually easy. All you need to do is to go ahead to your search menu and then type in date and time. After that, just click on Open. And now just give it a couple of moments to open up for you. Click on Set Chimes on automatically. And make sure the second option is turned on as well. This makes sure your region and time is correct. And this will fix the problem. After that, the next thing you can do is to go ahead to your search menu, type in Troubleshoot Settings. After that, just go ahead and click on Open. And now that you have Open Troubleshoot, click on Other Troubleshooters, and then run the Windows Update Troubleshoot. So this was an easy and quick process video. And I hope this video is helpful. As always, thank you for watching.